Welcome to Art of Forex channel. In this channel we will talk about Forex trading. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. In this video I will explain what's behind the chart. And what are the big banks' doings? Supply and demand secrets. How big bank trap all the retail traders? And where is the liquidity? When we have a news release, usually the big banks and big traders have the insider information, and they will follow the government to buy or sell. Big traders will put their trap weeks before the news release. This is how they trap the retail traders. As mentioned in our previous video, big traders like to use fake out and SR flip to free the liquidity. In order to sell a large volume of order in one place, big traders need to find people who are willing to buy at the same price. Hence supply and demand is used in Forex trading, and we can call this as manipulation. Let's say right here the price rally up, drop down. Then we have a sideway. And the prices shoots up. Right here we have a resistance. And when the price come back we have a support right here. And retail traders will buy right here. The prices goes up and come back again second time. Retail traders will continue to buy, because we have a support line. And the price goes up a little bit and suddenly back down. Breakout traders will sell instant market order, because the support has been break. And the price suddenly shoots up very far. Right here we have a demand zone. This is the area that big traders or big banks traps all the retail traders' order. On this chart right here, before non-farm payroll report is released, what do we have? Right here we have a resistance support flip. A support line here. A demand zone. As usual, let's change to lower time frame to find our entry point. We can use a line to find significant support in the base. Right here we have two support at the same level. My target take profit will be the support level on top, which will gives you 1:6 risk reward ratio. If you still holding until the top is a whopping 1:12 risk reward ratio. On the next chart, we have a support become resistant line here. And another one. On top we have a supply zone with a huge drop. My target take profit is here, the support level, which gives us 1 to 5.5 risk reward ratio. If you hold until the end, it gives 1 to 9 risk-reward ratio. Please share this video to your friends and subscribe to this channel. I will explain more on how the market works and how big banks trades.